Hi everyone, this is Dale Pinker with ForexStopHunters.com. I want to remind everybody that only risk capital should be used when trading derivatives, FX, or other high-risk markets. Only risk capital you can afford to lose. Past performance is not indicative of future results. I do appreciate everyone's effort who's watching this video, hearing my voice, to look for ideas, do intelligence gathering, to become a more effective FX trader. I know I've been talking about a US dollar bottom approaching for the last several days in videos. I also know a broken clock is right twice a day, but I believe that we're within striking distance. We're testing a monthly reversal on the Dixie that took place in November around the 77.20 to 40 level, depending upon whether you're looking at spot or futures. And one of my favorite pairs for when the dollar does bottom and risk aversion does come into play is the US dollar yen. We're starting to get a little bit of divergence here with the dollar selling off dramatically. The yen is holding up okay. I've begun a scale-in operation. Those of you following me, I did some successful day trades in this today. But I do believe that we're at a very important turning point here. If this bottom from October is going to hold in the yen, it's got to dig in its heels shortly. Also, the other part of the equation will be what's happening in the British pound. And we blew through many stops yesterday, especially going back to the high of the move that we had several weeks ago. That was here, the 60.50 level, trading at 61.20 right now. This high was 60.58. As you can tell on the daily chart, there is some divergence between these two highs. I'm still holding out the belief that there's potential for a reversal that could turn into a head and shoulders top, although the right shoulder is beginning to be a bit extended. If I'm completely wrong about the dollar, then of course cable will come in to take out and challenge the most persistent cable bears above this high around the 63 level, 163, 62.98. It's my contention that we're very close to a high here. Looking at the 1 hour, pretty good divergence, 4 hour as well. This is part of the equation. Of course, we have euro making new recovery highs, but then again, there is some momentum divergence taking place on the 4 hour. We're not above 70. I know a lot of people are talking 38 to 140. That may be happening. Still my belief that this is a bear market rally to correct this decline. So I'm also looking for shorting opportunities here. The Swiss put in a pretty good day yesterday. We may have one more stop hunt to take out these lows. Also looking at the Aussie, after reassessing on the weekly, there is a potential that it may have one more high in it above the 102.50 level. We'll have to see how this behaves. It's not a preferred short anymore. Cable is, and the US dollar yen is my preferred long. Currently trading at 46. Also believe that Canada has bottomed, even though we saw a very good sell-off here today. It's my contention that these lows will hold. Perhaps we go for a stop hunt a little bit under the 99 level, but I will be a buyer of that break. Still believe that Canada has a lot of upside potential, and I wanted to wrap it up with what I see happening here in cable again on the 4 hour, starting to get some divergence. As you can see, these were the highs at 60.58, and we have lower RSI readings here. So my preferred short is cable, my preferred long is US dollar yen. This is Dale Pinkert signing off with ForexStopHunters.com. Good hunting, and I'll be back to you tomorrow with our daily wrap-up.